Hi learners, today we are going to learn the 10 colors name according to the color of the ink. So let's start. R E D Red. You can see the color of the ink is also red. Next, G R E E N Green. Y E L L O W Yellow. B L U E Blue. B I N K Pink. V I O L E T Violet. O R A N G E Orange. B L A C K Black. B R O W N Brown. G R E Y Gray. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned to learn more.